Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah, in this video, we are discussing how to master vocabulary. Uh, First of all, mastering vocabulary is something essential that you need to do because language proficiency depends a lot on it. It directly influences how effectively a person can understand, think, and communicate using the target language. Its importance can be explained from several academic and practical perspectives. For example, okay, so for example, uh, when you master vocabulary, you can enhance your communication skills because it helps you avoid ambiguity and misunderstanding. It enables you vary your expressions so that you will avoid repetition. It also improve your reading comprehension um, because the more words you know, the easier is to understand. And it also supports your academic success in general. And it develops your writing proficiency and listening and speaking skills as well. We have some techniques to master vocabulary. One of them is learning in context. So this is the first one, learning in context, uh, which means that instead of memorizing isolated words, you learn them through reading and listening uh, in context, which is easier for you to remember and use correctly. And this can be achieved through reading articles, stories, academic text, and also paying attention to how words function in sentences. So you, when you read vocabulary in article stories, okay, you also learn how these words function in sentences or in real context. The second technique is spaced repetition. And in this this technique is based on reviewing words at increasing intervals to enhance long-term retention. And this can be achieved through testing yourself regularly. And also you may resort to use some apps or sites that help you learn and repeat vocabulary. And you can find a lot on the internet. And also you can review difficult words. If you learn difficult words, first of all, you need to make sure that you pronounce these words correctly. And after that, you need to review these difficult words more frequently than the familiar one. The third step or the third technique is word mapping or what's called semantic mapping. And instead of memorizing an isolated word or the single word, you can group it by theme, categorize it. Okay, يعني you learn some terms concerning travel or education or let's say shopping or etc. So categorizing vocabulary is very important here. And also, yeah, you may learn a synonym for the word الكلمة ورديفها ومرادفها and antonyms for example أيضا الكلمة مقابلها على سبيل المثال. And also you can provide some examples as well. We know that in semantic mapping we learn the word along with its feature مع قصاصها. And what might be these features? Okay, something يعني refers to the learner, him or herself, because sometimes you have what's called the direct meaning of the word and associative meaning of the word. Associative, يعني you may link this word to different life experiences in addition to its direct meaning.